In this video, I will show you how to add email on Instagram. So to add your email in Instagram, all you have to do after you open your Instagram app like this, now tap on your profile at the bottom right side. After you open your profile like this now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you open this menu now, as you can see now here under this settings and privacy, tap on this which says account center. After you open this account center, now scroll to down and tap on this personal details. After you open this personal details, tap on this which says contact info, this one. After you open your contact info, tap on this add new contact. So now tap on this add email. As you can see here is it add email. So in this section now, go ahead and type in your new email that you want to add. Let's say I want to add my new email. Here is it, as you can see now. After you type in your new email like this, so after you finish typing your new email, now scroll to down and select Instagram, as you can see here. After you select Instagram, tap on this next button. It will send you a code to confirm the email address, and that's it guys. You add your new email address on your Instagram account. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe.